Hi, Deadlock's here again.
That was quick.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, so we weren't away for very long.
No.
Anyway, Deadlock's here again, and today we're answering another question.
Is the question 12 plus 2?
What?
Is the question 12 plus 2?
No.
Because I know the answer to that one.
Oh.
It's 12. It's really 14.
Anyway, the question that we're actually answering today is, can the HIATT 1960 beat the beef?
Can you beat the beef?
No.
I thought you were about to say you do regularly.
Oh, the beef beat me.
Beef beat you.
Yeah, I'll insert the photo maybe.
Because that doesn't sound really weird.
The beef hurt my finger.
Did it hurt your finger, did it?
It did.
I see.
Anyway, these HIATT 1960 remember which way I need to turn it to put the double lock on, which is that way, so the double lock is there on now. And if we just take the beef, stick it in there, find a notch and start trying to push it round. This post is loose and isn't wanting to play it today. Not even turning it the right way. Say.
Yep. Don't have any more apples. And I can't find any more apples.
There we go. Push that notch round and you get the double lock off.
Yep. Let's call for assistance.
Then I'll go for shimming because I have the shim here. And there is double pull, but you have a nice line in the middle there that tells you where the middle probably is. So I aim down the middle. Oh, we've run into a problem.
What problem would that be?
Problem is the shim can't reach the pole properly.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Whatever will we do?
Well, I will try and pick the poles, but that isn't going to go very well. Because the spring is hideously strong in these.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
And try on the other cuff because I think the other cuff, the pole at least stays a little more still. I say a little more still, I mean a little more still. I give up. I forfeit. All I'm doing is bending the beef. HIATT 1960.
Beat the beef.
Beat the beef.
Oh no. I think they cheated. I think he wanted the beef to win. Or lose. I don't know which way it worked.
Actually, I was pretty sure the beef was going to get that. I thought the shim would do it. That's just a couple of millimeters too short.
Or just a bit too short.
We might come back to that in the future with a different shim. But for now, HIATT 1960 has beaten the beef. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
Open. Open. It's not open. It's not voice activated. Open it. It says, open it. No.